to another vlog. It is your girl, you already know. But today is going to be kind of a lazy day because I don't have too much to do. But what I do have to do today is I bought a new phone yesterday. And sometimes y'all know I just cannot stand this new technology because the new phone, I tried to transfer all of my information from my old phone to my new phone, and your girl just had trouble. Something was not clicking right with me and the new device and the old device, and trying to sync them two together. So I am headed to the phone store so they can do it themselves. I just called. The girl was nice enough to say, if you bring it back up here, we'll do it for you. And because if she didn't say that, I was going to be very, very upset. So that was a good thing. So we're off to do that. And are y'all ready?
Yeah.
I have no. So he had an accident and had to get how many stitches?
6.
6, yes. But then had another accident. But we'll get into all of that later. Come on, Darren. I told you I'm not technology savvy. I'm just not. That's just not who I am. I know the bare minimum and the basics. And even if I do figure something out, it's gonna take your girl all day. So I was thinking about, since I found that camera, to go try to get like a memory card or SD card to try to figure some things out. So yeah, I know this video is gonna look trashy because sis don't have no lights on. No. So good. Bye. Smell good. The only thing, it just doesn't last too long. So you want something to smell good? Oh, well, let's get you something more young lady friendly. How about that? You want something more young lady friendly? I'm gonna put her on some Sugar Pop. What is this? Cotton Candy by Jean Marc. Patty. I always have to smell good as a lady and as a man, okay? At least that's what I teach mine. So we are sitting in the car or do I want to go and get my phone situated first? What y'all think? They said phone situated first. Don't mind this area, okay? You know, they said phone situated first, so maybe we'll do phone situated first. The kids said I should go get my phone situated first. Look, y'all, they, you know, sometimes they be more responsible than I am, and that is a hoot. Why is Jeremiah funny, y'all? He is like really hiding, like he don't want to be on camera. He think I ain't noticed that. So we made it to the phone place so they can transfer all of my contacts in.
Everybody say wolf.
Why?
And everybody say eats.
Okay, y'all ready? Let's go. Ooh, they had some attitudes in there. And I am trying to keep my mind free of any attitudes or anybody else's negativity, including mine, okay? So that was a fail with my phone. The girl wasn't able to, she did my contacts, but she couldn't do my photos or anything else. And I mean, I had to sit there and listen to stuff like, this is not in my job description. I mean, they need to pay me to be a tech. Well, honey, if you was a tech, you would have been able to figure out how to get all my other things off of the old phone into the other new phone, right? Yeah, okay. And then they started saying, but you said you would pay somebody to do it. And I'm like, girl, I ain't say that. I said that I'm going to Walmart to get my photos off of my phone. That's what I'm gonna pay for. So that mission was, I wouldn't say a complete fail, because at least they got my contacts, but it was still a major fail. So on to the next destination. I'm gonna just have to go to a Walmart today. I don't even know if they even still have those stations where you can get, they got soap. Oh, they got a truckload of Dove soap, a whole bunch of stuff. I can't stand going somewhere and these people at work and they don't want to do their job, and then they got to be complaining. Oh, I got a hunger headache. Okay, honey, like, what you want me to do? I'm not finna. Anyways, but yeah, so I'm going to Walmart, and luckily I needed some things from Walmart anyway, so that's where we're headed. So let me see if they got what I need in here. Whew, Lord Jesus. Okay, so the phone saga continues. I had a thought in my head. Walmart was not, it was, somebody was using the machine anyway, and he said that it was taking a very long time to download photos. So I just decided, although it may take me forever and a day, I am just going to go home and send my photos to myself via text message. So, Lord have mercy. You going through some things?
She got angry. She went through anger.
She was going through some stuff, and I kind of just, and I have a lot of stuff to do at home, so I just need to get, and it looks like it's going to rain. Look at that cloud. Y'all see that cloud behind me? Oh my God. So yeah, I'm gonna just have to get my photos off like that, and it's like I have to re-put in everything that was in my old phone. Y'all in these new devices. Oh, see, I went in there and I forgot to get an SD card for that camera. I know she always gotta be looking for something. I found some funnel cake mix. So I'm looking for some wallpaper, but I don't happen to see any. Why?
Just because it look nice. Ew. Everybody doing that. Like,
I don't know, whichever one you want.
I can't decide.
Look at these drum sets. I'm almost tempted, but nervous.
Guys, we supposed to give our little cousin Rain something for her birthday, and then we bought her candy, but then my mama ate it.
I had to. Yeah.
Squishy, like a
Okay, we'll get one of those.
and give her an airhead. Airhead.
She can't have not a whole bunch of candy. Let's just get that chocolate that she likes.
Chocolate Nutty
She
Buddies.
likes Nutty Buddies, and let's see if we can find another. But I don't think we're gonna be able to find that in here. But let's just see if we can
Rain,
find.
Mama.
What else do she like?
Rain, DJ, and
She
those
like
can share this
lollipops.
one.
That's a lot of candy in
They
there.
can share this with.
The teeth are gonna go bad. I don't see no Nutty Buddies. I see a lot of other candies. I just don't see any Nutty Buddies. Do you see any Nutty Buddies? Nah.
Wait,
Oh,
I found her something.
but we're looking for a Nutty Buddy. We are on a Nutty Buddy mission. On Nutty Buddy mission. Out of all
I like poppets.
what's the poppet?
That's a poppet.
Oh, she likes poppets. May I have one in multicolored poppet?
Nah, just yellow.
Okay, let's see. Okay, we can get her.
Yes.
Hey, you put her doll head down. We have to get her doll head. Right here.
We put a doll head
We'll
down.
be back when we find this money down. And
Here go Mama.
you know, I need to start my exercise because
Hey, Mama, dog.
so I just pulled into Bath and Body Works because one of my birthday gifts was a Bath and Body Works gift card. So I'm gonna go see what Bath and Body Works is talking about. I know my birthday was 2 months ago. I know. And it's just my first time using it. Y'all, I have a dinner gift card from 2 years ago that I still haven't used. It's gonna get used though. It's gonna get used, and no, it's not expired. It is in my purse, honey. But we finna see. We are about to see what Bath and Body Works is talking about before it pour down raining on our head. I'm probably gonna be looking for some of that. I love their nighttime lotion, that body cream, the lavender kind. I love it. So I'm gonna see if they have some of that. I'll probably find me some more hand lotion. And girl, we going home. We going home because I have things to do. So let's go in here and see what they can offer me. Okay, hopefully a lot. Yay! Got my Bath and Body Works, and guess what? The first thing I am going to do, because we need it, one of the things I got, this is my first time trying this. It's like, I don't know if y'all can see it, aromatherapy. It's a stress reliever oil. So guess what I'm gonna do? Guess what we're gonna do in this car? Spray it in the car to see if it'll help us relieve some stress around here. You know what I'm saying? I did find me some hand cream. I got the Waikiki Beach Coconut and the lightweight gel hand cream. So, which both smell. Oh, and I did find my lavender and vanilla sleep time body cream, but they changed the packaging, and this bottle is actually, it looks a little bit smaller, but I'm gonna have to go home and look at my other ones to really tell. But okay. And oh, I do want to tell you guys that I will start back posting my podcast here pretty soon. Probably, if not today, I would start my posting tomorrow. So I will be bringing back my podcast. And yeah, there's a lot of people out today. Y'all be careful, put y'all mask on, because your girl is just sick and I don't have time. Okay, that is why I am going my behind in the house and enjoy the comforts of my home. Okay.
Is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my product?
So we are going to this video has came to an end, y'all. So yeah, thank y'all for watching yet another vlog with subscribe. I was thinking about possibly creating another channel for, you know, family vlogs, but who knows, we'll see. But anyway, thank you guys again, and continue to click on your girl videos, and until next time.